Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver. It looks great. You do have the sport hood on it. It looks awesome. And you do have the Ram badging out front there. And you do have bifunction projector style headlights right there with your fog lights down there and your parking sensors on the bumper as well. Coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You got those heated mirrors with the turning signal in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. And coming around the back here, we do have a 5-foot box. Looks great. You do have your parking sensors back here and your dual exhausts. Got your backup camera there, and if you open this up, lots of room back here. Looks great, painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Tons of room for storage. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate the remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold, and it sounds great. Now it does also come with proximity keyless entry, so if it's locked, you just gotta put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. You also got the button there if you did want to use that. On the inside here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. This one does bring in your mirrors. You do have chrome accenting on the handle. Another handle here and some storage just down here and more down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. It is a leather interior. Looks awesome. You do have the controls over your seat, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. Over here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press them in, you get your fog lights. You also have the in-cabin light control there. And up here we also have the controls over our turning signals, our high beams, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So foot on the brake, press the button, and you're good to go. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. You also have your battery life and your oil up there. Now in the center here, it does say that we have 1,800 kilometers, not very many at all. And you can change that around a bit, so you can go to your vehicle info. You also have your fuel economy, trip A and B. You got your trailer tow, audio, you got your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down button there. And then here we do have our gear shift, so we just have to turn it just like this. Very easy to do. You also have the controls over your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel, auto, lock, low, and when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Now we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so we do have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as we have our media devices if we have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, USB, or any of those. We have our climate control here with dual climate system for you and your passenger. You get your Uconnect apps right there. You have your controls over your heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, all that fun stuff. Navigation right here. If you hit that view map button, you can see we are on Rec Place. You also have your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. I would recommend going through all of your different apps. There's a ton of them, and they're really cool. Now down here, we do have volume up and down with a mute. We got screen off, hazard lights, back button, browser there. We have AC, circulation, heat up and down, power. You have your off, auto, then your front and rear defrost here. Over here we do have a trailer brake. We have traction control, tow and haul mode, front and rear park assist, or park sensor, sorry. Then we have the heated and vented seats and heated steering wheel, and same on the other side. You have some storage here, lots of storage in here with a place for you to put your phone. You have 2 cup holders right here, and we do have a dual layer glove box. Top layer right here does have our USB plugins and aux cord. Then we also have a bottom layer right there, lots of storage in there. Dual layer glove box right over here, top layer, and your bottom layer right there. And then up top here, we do have the controls over our sunroof, little window in the back, and universal garage door opener. And there is our sunroof. It looks fantastic. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, handle here, storage, and some more. Looks great back here as well. You do have the leather, feels fantastic. You can fold this down like this, and you got an armrest and some cup holders, as well as more cup holders just down there. You can lift your seats up, got some storage just underneath there, and underneath the other one, you do have a subwoofer to blast your music. You can fold this down like this, and you got a flat surface to put your stuff on top of, and then you can fold this back down. You do have some additional storage just underneath there as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.